You look at that shiny object. You think it's an achievement unlocked. You think winning that gold car means you've won the game, but you're wrong. You just equipped the heaviest item in the inventory, and now you can't run. You wake up in your base, your health bar is full, but your energy bar is empty. Red numbers float above your head like critical damage. They aren't monsters, they are bills, and they spawn every night. The system is designed like an adventure map, where you are never the hero. You are the NPC farming resources for the admin. You sign the paper thinking you're getting protection, but what you really get are bars. You run, you mine stone, you sweat pixels. But look at the map. You're at the same coordinates as 5 years ago. You're playing in survival mode, but the game is rigged so you never reach creative mode. They sell us the idea of the diamond mega base, but the mathematical reality is that you are exchanging 30 years of your playtime for a dirt hut that isn't even yours. And when you finally get a stack of emeralds, the server arrives and takes 40% for maintenance fees. You're left with the scraps. See this guy on the emerald throne? He doesn't mine stone. He doesn't build. He just waits. He created the server rules. He is the bank. He knows your gamer brain seeks quick rewards. He throws a hook, the new phone, brand name clothes, skins that give you no armor, only aesthetics. He tells you, work hard, mine faster. But mining stone won't make you rich if the wall is infinite. It only wears down your pickaxe. And while you mine, the lava level keeps rising. That lava is dead, and if you stop a second to rest, you burn. The system forces you to move just to survive. Here is the dirtiest glitch in the game: inflation. You store your bread in the chest, thinking you're safe, but the server updates, and your bread is worth half. Your savings turn to dust. They offer you free gold with a shiny card. It looks like a gift. But as soon as you step on it, you fall into the 20% interest debt trap. Game over. And don't try to escape. The credit score system is watching you. One wrong step, and you're banned from the marketplace. Everyone feels safe until winter comes. A crisis, a layoff, the server freezes. You run to your safety chest. You open it and discover the terrifying truth. It's empty. You live day to day trusting there would always be loot. You were wrong. Your main tool, your job, breaks. And since you don't have a spare pickaxe, you are now worth nothing to the system. You try to go back home, but the villager in the suit is at the door. No payment, no base. The rules are cold. He doesn't care about you. He cares about the rent. You are at half a heart, no resources, no shelter, in the middle of the night. This is where most players quit the match. But wait, there is a way to hack the game. You don't need brute force. You need this enchanted book. Financial education. First thing, break the obsidian. Eliminate bad debt. Use your best pickaxe. You can't build a castle if you have an iron ball tied to your ankle. Equip a shield. Learn to say no to junk offers. Block the ads. Protect your inventory. Stop eating everything you harvest. Plant a gold seed. At first, it's small. It looks ridiculous, but give it time. This is the admin's secret. Automatic farms. Create systems that generate resources while you sleep. Investments, dividends, digital businesses. Make the machine work, not you. At first it's slow, but then compound interest activates, a snowball that no longer crushes you. Now it pushes you to the top. Build a wall, an emergency fund, so no surprise creeper can destroy your progress. And when you buy, don't buy luxuries, buy assets. Let other players pay you rent to use your tools. Suddenly the game changes. You enter a new biome. The sun shines. You no longer have to mine out of obligation. You mine for fun. You look back. The cheating villager is still there, shouting offers, but they don't affect you anymore. You've won his game. Now you wear the real golden armor, not the one bought on credit, but the one that truly protects you. Freedom. You don't have everything in a single chest. You have chests all over the map. Diversification. If one falls, you remain standing. Wealth isn't built in a speed run. It is built block by block. Patience. And the true end game isn't having more gold. It's giving a pickaxe to the new player and teaching him how not to fall into the lava. The system wants you to be an NPC. You decide if you want to be the player. The match starts now. Subscribe for the next level.